Hi everyone, welcome to Data Dive. Today we are diving into something super important for anyone interested in data science or machine learning, that is feature engineering. Don't worry, if you are new to this, I will make it much easier for you. So let's dive into it. So basically, what is feature engineering? Imagine you have got bunch of raw data like number, category or text that are not useful on its own. Feature engineering is like giving the data a makeover. We transform it into feature that make sense and can be used to train machine learning models. In short, it is a process that takes your data from ordinary to extraordinary. So it is like a data makeover. We will make untidy data to tidy data and nothing else in this. So what is important of feature? What is importance of a feature engineering? First, improved model performance. Well-engineered features can make your model smarter and more accurate. It is like giving them a right tool to do their job. Reducing model complexity. By focusing on the most important data, you will simplify your model, make it easier to understand and work with. Enhance insight. Feature engineering helps you discover hidden patterns in your data, giving you valuable insight that can make a big difference. So there are four types of feature and characteristic. So let's talk about types and feature you will work with: numerical feature, category feature, ordinal feature, and text feature. In numerical feature, you will deal with numbers like age, income, temperature. And category feature, this is like giving a category like gender, marital status, or like fruit or vegetable, etc. Ordinal feature, it is like a category. It is like a category like education level or product rating from 1 star to 5 star. Text feature includes comments, reviews, or articles. This type of feature you will find in social media posts. Generally, you will find in social media posts. So next, let's explore the basic techniques. First is feature selection, second is feature extraction, and third is feature transformation. We will see in detail step by step. So first, feature selection. This is all about picking the most important feature for your model. It is like choosing the best ingredient for a recipe. Only the good stuff make it in. So basically we have bunch of data, we have lots and lots of data. We will select the most important data from it and we will work on it. Feature extraction. Here you are creating a new feature from the one you have already have. Thinking of it like a mixing and matching and creating something new. Feature transformation. This technique involves changing your feature to make them more suitable for modeling. It is like adjusting the temperature setting on your oven to make sure your cake bakes perfectly. So we will talk about feature selection. In feature selection we have three methods. First is filter method, second is wrapper method, and third is embedded method. So in filter method, this evaluates features based on their statistical property like correlation or variance. It is like scanning your fridge for ingredients that are still fresh. Second is wrapper method. This use machine learning models to test different combination of features and see what works best. It is like trying out different recipes to see which one tastes the best. Embedded method. This builds feature selection right into model training process. It is like adding the perfect spice mix while you are cooking. Feature extraction. Sorry, my pronunciation is like bad in extraction, so forgive me for that. Next is feature extraction. We also have three methods: PCA, LDA, and kernel PCA. PCA full form is principal component analysis. Sorry for that. This reduces the number of features while keeping the most important information. It is like packing only essential for your trip. Linear discriminant analysis, which is LDA. This technique finds the feature that best separate your data into different classes. Think of it is finding the perfect sorting method for your laundry. Basically, it is like a sorting. Okay. Kernel PCA. This is advanced version of PCA that handle more complex data relationship. It is like upgrading a regular map to GPS for better navigation. Our last is feature transformation techniques, which includes scaling, normalization, or binning. Okay. So first is scaling. This standardize your feature so they are all on the same scale, like making sure all your ingredients are chopped to the same size. Normalization. This resize your data to fit within a specific range, like rolling out dough to perfect thickness. Third is binning. This group your numerical feature into categories, like sorting your snacks into different bins. Handling different types of feature is the key. Numerical feature. You might need to fill missing values, handling outliner or turn continuous into categories. Basically, we will handle like many features like numerical feature and categorical feature. Second is categorical feature. For categorical feature, you might use one hot coding which turns category into member that model can understand, or label encoding, which assign number based on the order of categories. This is like a advanced level. We will see in future what is one hot encoding and label encoding. We will see in future and further videos. Before we wrap up, here are some best practices. Understand the data. Get to know your data inside and outside. Look for pattern, outliner, and understanding trends. Use your knowledge of the subject to informed decision while creating a feature. Experiment and iterate. Try different techniques, see what works best, and don't be afraid to make changes. Monitor and evaluate. Keep an eye on how your features are performing and make adjustment if needed. Okay, so this is our 4 practices you should be remember while doing feature engineering. So, and that is it for this video. It might seem like lot at first, but with practice you will get a hang of it and start building better models in no time. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more beginner friendly content. Thank you for watching and happy learning.